Given the challenging context of the Post Office and the importance of the role of the Chair, the Business Secretary took decisive action. I understand members would like more details around the decision, especially considering the Post Office is rightfully under heightened scrutiny at this time. I can confirm that there were issues beyond the handling of the Horizon scandal, but as you'd expect, I'm not able to comment on the specifics of individual HR cases. I think the statement we used is mutual consent, the phrase we used, mutual consent, but it's fair to say that the government exercised its right to remove the chairman. I think she can deduce from that what she will. This is not a case of allocating responsibility for the past problems of the Post Office. It's simply saying that we think we need new leadership going forward, and there are specific circumstances around this particular, around the chairman in this situation that we felt that he wasn't the right person to lead the organisation at the board at this time. The shareholder representative for UKGI, she's right to say that's not the chair. It was Tom Cooper, it's now Lorna Grattan. Do I have confidence in her? Yes, I do. I meet her regularly and I have a high degree of confidence in her. The compensation is too slow. We accept that. There's a number of measures we brought forward prior to the TV drama, as she puts it, including the fixed sum award of £600,000 for overturned convictions. We've also introduced a fixed sum award for the group litigation order as well to expedite compensation. It's something I'm absolutely focused on a daily basis. Well, it certainly wasn't something we wanted to do at a weekend. There was a chance that this would come into the public domain by other means, which is why a conversation had to take place over the weekend. We didn't think it'd be right that an individual would hear about a potential course of action by other means other than the Secretary of State speaking to that individual. I think that's fair to say and the right thing to do. No, I don't know why she would have any evidence that this is some kind of falling out, as she put it. This is about governance issues, very serious governance issues about how the leader and the person who headed the board of that organisation. In terms of which are obviously confidential and HR issues. In terms of the timeline to replace, or as I said earlier in my remarks, as quickly as possible. We're looking at recommendations as we speak, and we should be able to report back to the House as soon as possible in terms of an interim and a permanent replacement. This wasn't about holding somebody responsible for past problems in the Post Office. This is about the governance of the Post Office going forward, which is why the mutual agreement took place for Mr Staunton to step down.